Discovered an SVP file related to SwiftView document viewing software? These are command files that automate document viewing and printing tasks. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these SwiftView command files. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening SVP files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. SVP files are command files used by SwiftView document viewing software to automate document operations. They contain instructions for opening, viewing, printing, and processing documents in formats like PCL HPGL and PDF, enabling batch document workflows in enterprise printing and document management environments. SVP files use SwiftView's command syntax in plain text format with directive keywords, parameter specifications, and file path references. The structure includes operation commands, document settings, printer configurations, and conditional logic following SwiftView's documented command file specification for automated document processing. SwiftView is the standard set by SwiftView Inc. for accessing the SVP format. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows offers a limited snapshot, while accurate reading requires the original data handling software. We are going to find the right reader. Right-click the SVP file and click Open With. Try launching with SwiftView first, as it's the recommended tool. If that doesn't work, test others until you find a match. When your SVP file does not open, it is usually a small issue. This particular SVP file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, opening in SwiftView. Launch SwiftView or SwiftView ICS application and open the SVP file through the File menu or command line. SwiftView interprets the command file executing the specified operations on reference documents, which may include viewing, printing, converting, or batch processing tasks defined in the command sequence. Next, editing command files. Open SVP files in any text editor like Notepad++ or Sublime Text, since they use plain text command syntax. Modify commands parameters or file references to customize document processing workflows. Save changes and reload in SwiftView to test the updated command sequence on your documents. Finally, creating automation scripts. Use SVP files within batch scripts or scheduled tasks to automate repetitive document processing tasks. Combine SwiftView command execution with operating system scheduling to create unattended document workflows for high-volume printing, conversion, or distribution scenarios in enterprise document management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.